So this is going to be kind of like the teaser lesson right here. What you see on the screen, you see USD Japan right here where the mouse is. That's the currency pair, right? You can either sell it or you can either buy it. You come down right here. This little piece is called the terminal. That's the order number. This is the time it was placed. This trade was placed on the 31st. Of course, even though I placed it tonight, it's looking like we're already in the Forex time is a little bit different. You'll get used to that. What I did was I did a buy. I did a 2 lot size. The symbol is USD Japan. And the sell, the take profit. Here's the price. Commission was $6. Commission is always typically times 3 or 2 of the size. In this case, it was times 3 of the size. So my lot size was 2. My commission was $6. Right now, we're up $382 in profit, right? Even though it says $387, we have to pay the commission. All right, cool. So I'm going to tell you how we took this trade. If you look at, let me zoom in closely, right? This is a candlestick click. Right here, we took the trade right here. As you could see, it was a buy in this area right here. So we took the trade about right here, and then it took off, right? How did I know to take this trade? So I'm going to zoom back out, right? Let's say, look at this chart right here. What I like to do is I like to do support and resistance. This right here is support line. As you could see right over here, definitely broke through the support, but it respected the support over here. It respected the support over here, and it respected the support over here. So that was my support line, right? Support is something where it uses support and it goes back up. Right here, ooh, that's a stop loss. We don't need to put a stop loss in that. We would put it over here if it would break. But right here is some resistance over here in this area. And this is an hour chart. That's what the H1 stands for. Right here, it showed resistance, right? So basically, I didn't really focus on January 23rd. I kind of like zoomed in over here. This is kind of like what I took, right? Once it hit the support right here and it took off, I was kind of a little patient with it. You know, I waited until it broke the resistance right here. Once it broke the resistance, I know it was going up. If I was to put a take profit, I would put a take profit right here. Another way I could put a take profit is I could put a take profit according to the trend line. Let me see if I see a trend line zooming out. I do see a little something right here. I would tag this, I would tag this, and I would tag that. This is called a trend line, right? It doesn't go straight, and this one is not perfect. Let's see if I could adjust it a little bit. I wanted to touch this top right here. Not there, but there. All right, cool. So I think it's pretty decent. Like right here in this area, take profit. That should give us a profit of $487. If you look all the way to the left, look right here. Pay attention right there. And when you should tell you how much that trade should be. So a take profit, every time you get in a trade, you want to know where to start at and where to finish at, right? If it was to break this area right here, as you could see, it would be a negative $444. There's so much more. So 444 and 542, it's $100 profit. It's like a 1-to-1 ratio. Is not that bad. I mean, really, I would probably put my stop loss up here on this one. You could put it either way. It's up to you. But long story short, people always ask me how to take a trade. And this is how a really, 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 really basic chart analytic of how to just look at the chart, read the chart, and, you know, how to be profitable. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm not going to keep it too long. Take care.